I just want to make the assignments clear to everybody, and I'm not sure I've really done that, so let me try again. So finish the class. This goofy-looking guy with the bottle of hot sauce meant to represent Tabasco. You're going to look for that image, and to find that image and to find the assignment, which has already been created, in fact, you're going to click the Content tab on the left navigation. You're going to scroll down, and you'll see this image, and you'll see that here's where Team 1 for the next class will submit an ad along with where the ad ran, and then every team will do a Tabasco on it and submit it for discussion, and we'll take it from there. Now, the other assignment due next week, which is an individual assignment, which each of you will do, is to submit your goals. And you will do that. That submission is right above the Tabasco assignment. So again, click Content on the left. That shows all the class content. You'll go down to the bottom of the page. You'll see Tabasco with this bottle of hot sauce, and you will see right above it your opportunity to submit your objectives. Now, before we finish, I want to talk about the gaming. I want to set you up for that. You're going to see that next. You're going to go to Part B, which is the next week's lecture. And at the end of Part B, you're going to see basically to unlock Level 2. You'll see an icon and a link you can click. Now, to get to the next level, Level 2, in the next 2 lectures, each one of you is going to have to answer 10 questions. You're going to have specific answers to the questions. Now, you'll be able to scroll through the PowerPoints, which I provided, to get fast answers, I think, for the questions. You might want to divide them up by team, hint, hint. But each person has to submit all 10 questions, and then you're going to get a keyword. I think it's the answer to one of the questions. In fact, of the 10 questions, you're going to type that in, and that will give you access to Level 2. It will also, when you open Level 2, you'll see a video from me at the top, which gives you the second clue to the riddle. And again, the riddle is, it was heard around the world, and you'll get, that's clue 1. I've already given you that. You're going to get the next clue to this event that you'll need to figure out what that event is, and the first team to do that will get 10 extra points on their class participation. So this all starts to happen at the end of Part B, which is what you'll move on to now. Thanks, everybody. I hope you made it through this first class, and look forward to many more.